Hello, welcome to MatchMKR, the travel marketplace. This is our first tutorial video to enter the platform for the first time and register as a buyer of tourism services. In order to do this, we have to type down in our browser the address, themarketplace.travel. We recommend using the Google Chrome browser. For tutorial purposes, we'll use our test environment where we have preloaded profiles to perform the simulation. Within the platform, you'll find basic information about what the travel marketplace is and what benefits it offers. To register, we can go directly to the More Information and Registration section or scroll down the page until you reach this section. Here, we have to then select whether we're buyers or providers of tourism services. We're going to select the buyers option. Here, we have to select the membership that will give us access to the platform. The first step is to create a user, which is an email where our registration, notifications, and possible meetings within the platform will arrive. So it's important that it's an email that we can usually check on. We then select the box where we accept terms and conditions of the use of the platform and proceed to make payment of our membership in order to enjoy the benefits of MatchMKR, the travel marketplace. The next step is to create your user profile. To do this, we suggest having the following information with you: company name, trade name, taxpayer registration, address, phone number, name of the company's representative, charge within the company, time of operation, regions of the world and in Mexico where they operate, the value of the company in US dollars, brief description of the company, and finally, profile picture or logo. Suppose we already have this information with us, and we simply type it down into the general information of our business profile. The next thing is to upload a picture that will work as our profile image. Doing so is as simple as clicking anywhere in this section to display a window where we can select the image we've chosen. We click and wait for the system to tell us that it has been uploaded correctly. We recommend the picture to be in a rectangular format and in JPEG. Later, in the interest section, we're going to select the tourism services that we usually look for or the ones that we usually buy. This will tell the system what type of tourism service providers we would like to have business meetings with. Let's say that at the moment, I'm the type of buyer who is interested in air transportation, in hotel chains, and also in tourism and recreational attractions such as archaeological zones, amusement parks, and spas. Within each of these sections, I have the options to detail my profile with different parameters and default values, just as we do every time we register. Later, we'll indicate within the system the different tourism segments that we usually buy, whether they are general or sports tourism. These values are what will define our profile within the platform. Finally, we select the international trade fairs that we usually attend to meet with our tourism service providers. This is for the system to identify matching profiles that also attend these type of events, since we would suppose that both share a common target market. In this way, our business profile will be ready and we may access the buyer's homepage. Here, we can start discovering new and interesting business opportunities.